Hi, art teachers. I'm Joe Boatfield, and I'm an elementary school art teacher from Dallas, Texas.
I'm Harris Waltuck, and I'm a high school art teacher in Baltimore, Maryland.
In today's 5 minutes of art history, we're going to merge the worlds of fiber art and installation art
and bring them to your students with the artist Do Ho Suh.
Born and educated in South Korea, Suh departed at 29 after earning degrees in traditional Oriental painting. He pursued further education in the USA, completing a BFA in painting at Rhode Island School of Design and an MFA in sculpture at Yale University. His multifaceted identity informs his work, which revolves around the theme of home, encapsulated in structures that could theoretically be transported anywhere. Suh is renowned for his intricate, hand-stitched fabric reconstructions of past residences, such as his childhood home in South Korea and former apartment in New York City. Each installation invites viewers to physically enter and explore, blurring the boundaries between public and private, interior and exterior, and past and present. Another work that highlights the artist is Reflection. Suh replicates the gate to his bedroom in his childhood home in South Korea. Then, the silky brick texture replicates itself, reflected upside down. Suh says, "When you see a person, you don't just see the person standing in front of you. You see their background, their family or ancestors, the invisible webs of relationship and information." His installations offer a translucent, ghostly experience, revealing layers of space and memory.
Let's play further with the idea of home. Start the students off with a writing prompt. Think of a place that felt like home. Write down or draw what it looked like. How did it feel while you were there? Who was with you? What did it smell like? Have the students try to rephrase their idea of home into a short haiku. Share a couple of videos. We'll link a few suggestions in the description box below. Encourage your students to take visual notes as they learn about Do Ho Suh. They should draw pictures of the artist's work as well as take note of important details. After watching the videos, ask the students, what do you think home means to him? What do you think he's trying to say? How do you think he accomplishes this with his use of materials, his use of space, the location he chooses? Finally, download a 3D modeling software with your students. Have the students play with shapes and tools to create their haiku home.
Home is one of my favorite topics for students. Home is more than just a house. There are different people and places that can make a person feel at home. Facilitate a turn and talk. Talk to a neighbor. What does home mean to you? Can a person feel at home in multiple places? Emphasize that home is not just where you live or your house. It could be a sense of belonging. It could be memories and traditions, comfort and safety, or even your personal expression. Share a video of the perfect home too. Tell students that this is an artwork that people are meant to walk through. When the video has ended, ask students to share what they saw and what they wonder about. Students will usually be very curious what it was made out of, how it was created, and if people actually live there. Share some information about the perfect home too, that it is a full-scale recreation of the artist's former home in New York City, which was his home for 19 years. Visitors are invited to walk through the hand-sewn translucent fabric, which includes details such as light fixtures, radiators, and even a refrigerator. This would be a great time to ask students, why would someone work in such intricate detail to recreate their home? Explain how our memories, homes, family, and our longing for safety can influence our art. Next, have students begin sketching their dream home. What does home mean to you? Do you live in a fortress castle? Maybe you find peace by living with nature? Are you surrounded by your family and friends here? What are some things you can include in your home that would make your life more comfortable? Another collaborative idea that focuses on the idea of an installation and boosts your school morale could be an activity that invites students to decorate fabric pieces with what home means to them. Could it be family, friends, comfort, safety? They'll add this word to a translucent piece of fabric. The fabric will be put together into a 3D house. Then suspend this house-shaped installation in your school for students to see and interact with.
Explore installation art with this artist bio. You can find it in Flex, a flexible digital curriculum for all K-12 art levels. Each artist bio has a short bio, an illustrated artwork or portrait, quick facts, quotes, and reflection questions. Flex features a vast library of diverse artist bios. Check out the link in the description box below to get Flex for your students.
Hi, art teachers, and that was Do Ho Suh in 5 minutes. If you have any fun facts or activities, please leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the Art of Education University for more art history videos just like these. Bye!